Monkey and Crocodile. Monkey lived in a fine fruit tree by the side of a river. He spent his day eating the fruit of the tree and swinging its branches. One day, Crocodile took rest under the tree. Monkey Yes, Crocodile said, "As you are under my tree, that makes you my guest. Or allow me to offer you food." Monkey tossed down fruit after sweet food to Crocodile. Crocodile visit Monkey tree each day after that. One day, Crocodile asked Monkey to cross the river with him for dinner. He called up to Monkey, "Please join me. I should have invited you soon." "I love to come," Monkey said, "but I can swim. How shall I cross the river?" "Please take a ride on my back," Crocodile said. "It would be my pleasure." "The pleasure is all mine," said Monkey. He left his safe tree and climbed onto Crocodile's back. They set out across the river. "What may I ask for dinner?" Monkey asked. By this time, two were halfway across the river, so it was now impossible for Monkey to escape. Crocodile told the truth. "You are for dinner, my furry little friend. I am taking you home to eat you." The monkey was scared to death. His heart bloomed in his chest, but he kept his wit about him. "In that case," Monkey said, "let me fetch my heart. Of all my parts, it tastes the best, but I left it back in my tree." "Oh yes," Crocodile agreed. "Please fetch your heart." Crocodile turned and swam back to Monkey tree. As soon as they reached the riverbank, Monkey jumped off and climbed out to reach. He laughed down at Crocodile. "Crocodile," he called, "my big scaly friend, I won't be coming tonight for dinner." Crocodile was angry and smashed. He knew that Monkey has outsmarted him. From that day forward, Monkey have never trusted Crocodile.